How can employees avoid FMLA retaliation for taking leave? Imagine you need to take time off for a serious health issue or to care for a loved one, but you're worried about facing negative consequences at work. That concern is valid, but knowing your rights can help you stay protected. The Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, gives eligible employees the right to take up to 12 weeks of unpaid, job-protected leave each year. This means your employer cannot fire, demote, cut your hours, or treat you unfairly because you requested or took leave for a qualifying reason. To avoid retaliation, start by understanding what the law protects. If you are eligible, you have the right to take leave without fear of losing your job or facing negative treatment. When you need leave, notify your employer as soon as possible. Follow your company's procedures for requesting FMLA leave, and do so in writing if you can. Giving proper notice is key because courts recognize that your protection begins once your employer is informed, not just after your leave starts. Keep detailed records of all communications related to your leave. Save emails, notes from conversations, and any official approval documents. If your employer makes negative comments or changes your job status after your leave request, having proof can be very helpful. If you experience any form of retaliation, such as harassment, demotion, or negative comments, report it immediately to Human Resources or your supervisor. Employers are responsible for preventing retaliation and addressing any issues that come up. It's also important to know that your employer must not count your FMLA leave as an absence under attendance policies. They should maintain your pay and benefits and restore you to the same or an equivalent position after your leave. If they do not, it could be a sign of retaliation. If you suspect retaliation and it's not resolved internally, you can file a complaint with the Department of Labor or seek legal advice. Laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act also protect employees from retaliation related to medical leave for disabilities and requiring reasonable accommodations. By staying informed, providing proper notice, documenting everything, and reporting issues promptly, you can better protect yourself from retaliation. Remember, your employer has a legal obligation to respect your rights under the Family and Medical Leave Act and to keep your workplace free of unfair treatment related to your leave.